Welcome back to another video with hashtag tutoring as we unpack the exponent laws. You must always know that these laws apply when your bases are the same. Very important. Okay, so the first one that we are looking at is the product rule, in which when two terms are multiplying, their exponents add together. So in this case, you have x to the exponent n plus m. Okay. For example, so if you have 2 to the exponent of 2 multiplied by 2 to the exponent of 2x, the base is the same. Therefore, you add 2 plus 2x. Next rule is the quotient rule. With the quotient rule, when you have a number multiplying another, you therefore subtract the exponents. In this case, so it will be x to the exponent of n minus m. Okay. For example, if you get 5 to the exponent of 2a divided by 5 to the exponent of 4 minus a. The base is the same, therefore 2a has to minus 4 minus a. You therefore have 5 to the exponent of 3a minus 4. Okay. Number 3, we have the power rule. With the power rule, so when you have an exponent in bracket, whatever that's outside the bracket has to multiply with everything that's inside the bracket. For example, if you have 10 to the exponent of x, all to the exponent of 3 has to multiply x because it multiplies everything within. Number 4. So number 4, we have a times b within a bracket to the exponent of n. Same thing like the power rule. N multiplies each and every exponent that is inside the bracket. For example, when you have 2 to the exponent of x times 5y, all to the exponent of 3 multiplies both x and y. Therefore, you have 2 to the exponent of 3x, 5 to the exponent of 3y. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is when you have a denominator, you can make it a numerator by changing the sign of its exponent. Okay? Does that make sense? Like when you have 1 over 5 to the exponent of negative 2, you can change that denominator and change the sign of the exponent. If you have 1 minus 5 to the exponent of 2, you can change the 2 to a negative only if 5 is no longer a denominator. Okay? Most important thing, again, is that your bases must always be the same for these rules to apply. Okay, let's go to an example. When you have 5 root negative 3 over 25, it's important to make 25 the same base as what you have above so that you can be able to apply the rules. Okay? In this case, so a denominator will become a numerator by changing the sign of its exponent. In which case you have 5 to the exponent of minus 3 plus minus 2, which is 5 to the exponent of minus 3. But then you can change the numerator and make it a denominator by changing the negative 5 to a 5.